Brick Ranch West / a porch on a corner lot in the heart of Great Bridge. Foyer entry brings you to a formal living room, then formal dining room. Formal dining attached to kitchen. Formal dining west / decorative ceiling, chair rail, and dental crown molding. Kitchen is attached to laundry / mud room and family room. Family room has large masonry fireplace west / wood box and wood ceiling beams. PBR ensuite shower has been retiled. Detached 24'X24 garage with new driveway. Property extends behind and beyond garage. Garage has electrical. Roof 2 yo, HVAC 10 yo, gutters west / screening 2 years, fence 2 years, and newer windows.